In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x707. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to check the date and time if you have set it right. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now at the settings window, please wait until you can see a left pane where you can select a list of in the list of the option. Please navigate here at the left pane, find for this option called the time and language, click on it. And then from here, please proceed to the date and time, click on this one. And then there you can see set time zone automatically, turn it on, and set time automatically, turn it on. Okay? So once you have checked the date and time, and wants you to close the window and check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then you need to disable the antivirus software running in your PC. So if you have a third-party antivirus software running in your device, please disable that for the meantime, and then try to check if the error has been fixed. Okay? You can disable that once you have completed or once you have fixed the error. Okay? So as much as possible, you can also uninstall that antivirus because that might hinder your device and that may lead you to an error. Okay? Another solution that you can do is that you need to check for Windows Update. So check if your computer is updated or not. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. Here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for Windows Update, click on here, and then I want you to check if your computer is updated or not. So click for check for updates or resume updates, then wait until you'll be able to successfully update your computer to the latest version. This will surely fix the problem and might as well make improvements. In this way, you'd be able to fix the problem. Okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.